Grandma doing their first ever Easter egg hunt.
Find them. Here in the porch.
You hide them?
Oh.
You know.
Where are they?
There should be 10 eggs out here.
Uh-oh, Daddy put them somewhere. Where are they? Look at it. Did you get by? There's a lot of stuff. Oh, get it. Come on, hurry.
He can't reach it.
Can you get
He
it?
can't reach it.
Come get it. Let's
Look where he's pointing, Joan. Gannon, point. Show her. Show her the eggs.
I thought he was looking at this one.
Oh, he was looking at the ceiling fan.
Oh, he saw that one. Oh.
Lift him up to get it.
Reach it either.
Lift him up, see if he can reach it.
In here. Okay, you want to get that one? Come here. Oh, get that one. See, let's make sure. Oh, you got another one.
Good job!
All right.
Yay!
Here, Grandma will hold you up and you can reach that one. Can you reach it? Up here. Can you reach it? Grandma can't lift it high enough.
Good help.
Daddy, we're going to need help. Grandma can't do it.
Yeah, but I got it on video. You guys tried.
We can't. The Grandma can't lift it. I can lift things the other way.
Yay! He got the egg!
That's good.
The Easter Bunny can't stop Gannon.
Where's some more eggs? Come on, let's go find. Uh-oh. Where are they? There's more eggs. You see them? Yes. Oh. Where are they? Oh, there's one.
Yay! Good job, Gannon.
Good job. Is there another one over here? Look over here. Is there another one?
Did I cheat letting him watch me hide them?
Oh, no, be careful, little.
Yeah, he's 2.
All right. All right.
Good
Where's
job.
Another one. Is there another one? You got it? Can you hold it? There you go. Uh-oh, it's going to spill. Let Grandma hold it. You can find some more. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 more eggs. Where are they? 3 more. Is there any more here? Where are they? Now let's put this here and let's go look. 3 more. Where are they?
Where's the Easter eggs?
1,
Find the eggs.
3.
Gannon.
3 more. Here. You see one? Oh, there it is. Can you reach it?
Yay! Good job! He's like, that thing's filthy.
Yeah. Put that in here. There's 2 more. Let's go find them. Where's the other one? Yeah, let's go find the other one. Where are they?
I see one. Do you see the other one?
Ooh.
Oh, I see 2 more. Guess I had more than 10.
Let's see. Is it in there? Oh.
Yay!
Good job. Is there another one? Oh, and look in the other seat. Is there one in the
No, it's not.
This is over here. In here. Is there one in here? Where is it? Where is it? I just see the bird.
Gannon.
Ooh.
Now he sees it.
Yeah.
Good job!
That just sees the bird over there. There's one more.
Gannon. Gannon. Gannon.
Is it there?
Hey! Good job!
12. Because I had 10 fake ones, or 10 real ones and 1 fake one.
I know.
Fake one in here.
Yeah, there's another one right.
Look.
Look. Right here. On your arm. Stop.
Was that all of them? How many you got now?
Yay! We got it!
Let's count how many. How many did we have? 1, 2,
Okay, that's all the eggs. Good job, Gannon.
Good job. Okay, let's take them in the house.
You don't want that one in there? That one doesn't
That one doesn't go in there, huh? Let's take them in the house.
Well, the purple one made it. Come on, Gannon, let's go. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. Good job. He did that with the
Good.
basket.
Go show Drake what you've got. Go show him. Show Drake what you have. Hey, go show him. Yeah.